We fundamentally believe that strong communities prevent gun violence. And we know that this happens as part of a public safety ecosystem that all of us are building together. We are so thrilled to gather with the Players Coalition to end this public health crisis in America.
The Players Coalition is continuing our advocacy, one, pushing for a policy that is evidence-based, but also putting our dollars where our words are. And this year we are granting $1 million to violence prevention, particularly gun violence, and doing that based around the communities.
I think what excites me is that the players are interested in pursuing some of the work that we lead, which is how do we address the root causes of violence? We understand that the people, both who are harmed and who cause harm, have almost always been survivors of trauma and violence themselves. And the only way we're going to interrupt that cycle is to support them.
We have been honored with a grant from the Players Coalition. With this grant, we have had the opportunity to create spaces and provide therapeutic support for families and communities directly impacted by violence.
Through the support of the Players Coalition, we were able to launch high school football, which has completely transformed our scholars' lives, specifically supporting our STEM education. We are really preparing the next generation of innovators, scholars who are going to help their community, their city, and hopefully the country and the world be better.
Bringing aboard new partners who are really doing the work on the grounds is big for us. Too often we've worked in silos instead of working together, and we found that working together you can create even more change. I couldn't imagine the impact that we could have, when we first started out with 6 guys going to Capitol Hill. And you fast forward about 5-6 years later, and you look at the change that we've been able to create in this country. It's been unbelievable.
A lot of people are on the ground, and it's really hard for us to find the funding streams and support that allows us to make the direct impact and the urgent impact. Using your leverage and your voice to help fight for what we need in our communities can go such a long way.
We have to do more, and it's also educating each other, continuing to uplift other organizations like we've been able to do with the Players Coalition for years, from legislation to money in the community. It's been a major blessing to see. Literally here at the White House. Creating real change. So I'm excited about the opportunity that's to come, and I'm extremely proud of all the men and women from the Players Coalition over the years and the work that they've done and what we're going to do in the future.